It's a pleasure and it's a great thing to be here and to work and to promote our best brand in the world. Really, I am very proud to be here and to hand over this specific truck to this lady driver, and I'm very happy and proud to realize this project together with the whole team Renault Trucks to make very specific colorized branded truck for this opportunity. Initially everything started with expression of wish of our customer that he would like to visit the plant because he's our loyal customer, and at the end we made some combination of this very special truck to make a handover here in the plant, and also some special customization of the vehicle itself. This visit enables us to promote Renault Trucks brand, especially for the customization department. This is a good opportunity for all of us.